Hello everyone and welcome to Boobly's World Cuisine. This is a batch of freshly baked banana muffins. They are so moist, delicious and have a gooey Nutella surprise inside. These muffins make amazing treats for kids at home and works a tasty addition to kids' lunchbox or as an after-school treat. Ingredients are handful and pantry friendly. They are all laid out here. Now, if you're ready, we can get started with the simple recipe. Okay, first in a bowl, I'm taking 2 ripe bananas. Now, while making banana muffins, you gotta make sure that your bananas are fully ripened and that will give you great taste. So all you gotta do is mash these bananas and you can use a fork to do the job and it's done. So I'm gonna set it aside and I'm gonna take one big bowl. To that, I'm going to sieve my dry ingredients, starting with some plain flour, followed by a teaspoon of baking powder, quarter teaspoon of baking soda, and quarter teaspoon of salt. I always make sure that I sieve my dry ingredients. That way you can ensure that your final batter is lump-free. Okay, this is done and I'm going to set it aside, and on another smaller bowl, I'm going to add all my wet ingredients, but I'm going to start with sugar. Okay, cracking one egg, but this egg was already broken, but I thought I'll use it. That's why the cracked part went inside. Anyways, okay, now I'm gonna lightly whisk this so that sugar and egg is lightly combined. Okay, now it's time to add the rest of the ingredients. I have some unsalted butter here, which I have melted. It's 60 ml and I'm adding that in. And this is Greek yogurt. Now, if you don't have Greek yogurt to hand, you can also use sour cream and they will give similar results. Giving it a quick stir, and after that, I'm going to add one last ingredient, and that's the flavoring. So this is vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon, and always try to use good quality so that you get better results. Now, finally, I'm adding the bananas that I have previously mashed, and these are all the ingredients required for making these moist, delicious banana muffins. Quick mix and this wet ingredient bowl is done. It's time to add dry to wet or wet to dry. So everything goes in. And now it's time to give it a quick stir so that everything is combined. Now, while baking with flour, you always got to make sure that you don't over mix it because that will give you harder baked goods. But you also want to ensure that you scraped everything and there is nothing on the bottom. Okay, line my cupcake liners. With the batter I'm using today, I'll get around 7 muffins. So I'm just putting that many liners. Okay, first I'm taking a small scoop of batter. Actually, I need 1 whole scoop, but because there will be Nutella inside, first you want to put 1 small scoop of batter, and after it's done, it's time to add Nutella. You can use any spread of your choice, any chocolate spread or anything. Today I'm using Nutella, and around a teaspoon goes in the middle. So it's less than a teaspoon, and that's it. And finally, I'm putting another small scoop of batter on top, so that Nutella is inside. Okay, once you are done with that, it's time to put them in the oven, which I have preheated to 220 degrees, but I'm gonna bake them to 5 minutes and then I'll lower the heat to 175 and another 15 minutes. Okay, my muffins are done. I'm just doing a toothpick test and it looks they are perfectly baked. Let them cool down in the pan for 5 minutes and then transfer them to a cooling rack where they can completely cool down. And super moist, delicious Nutella surprise muffins are all done. I'm going to open one and show you how the inside looks like. In the center, it will be gooey because Nutella is inside and the whole muffins are baked just perfect. Thank you everyone for watching my video. If you need a printable version of this, I'll post it tomorrow on booblysworldcuisine.com. Take care and bye for today.